feed them. You don't have the time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once. I am one of those melodramatic fools. You're running to the bone, no doubt about it. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my place tricks on me. But I'll keep telling you now. All right.
Time out. Is that live streaming or recording?
It's recording.
Okay, good.
I feel like
wasn't that good.
Yeah,
it's gonna go to the YouTube channel.
that could
wasn't that bad.
that could have been better.
I feel like to end it off, I think maybe like just like a bass. Like that's like a good
Yeah.
stopping point, and you can.
Let's start one more time. I just want to hear it real quick. Sean, can you just play like everything from the. So it goes from you have most of it right. Just it goes from E and then first E.
I don't know what's going on with it today, you know?
I'm not exactly sure what's going on.
For basket case, we should let for basket case and them bones, we should let the feedback talk first. So there's a little bit of this.
I'm not exactly what's going on with it.
You gotta get in the frame. You're doing this for the love of the game. You guys want to move on to Dead Bones?
Yeah. What's that?
Everything's
Nothing will go to Aaron, bro.
What? This guy's a tuna.
it's 8.
Yo, Miles. Yo,
Turn the guitar off.
what is it?
I think play the or play the. Yeah, you're right. Or half step down.
That's how a man is guitar.
There you go, perfect.
All right.
Alright, for the solo, it is just like as if we're opening the song. It's muted. Is that me? Who is that?
Okay.
It's muted, and then it's open, and then it's. But it does it twice. I'm pretty sure. It's like. Oh, and then it goes back to the. That's the solo ends. And then we're back to. All that shit. Alright. Let's, sorry, guys.
I forgive you.
Okay. I'm gonna click it, feedback, Miles counts us in, and then we're going.
Guys, to the 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, you don't gotta count us in or nothing. Ready?
Ah!
Let's not forget, during the solo, it does do this. three songs, I would say Them Bones needs the most work, and then the next one for most work is Basket Case. Thoughts?
Because I dropped my stick.
What?
Because I dropped the
It's all on
stick.
this guy,
Because
bro.
Miles dropped the stick.
Hey, I'm gonna have
It's literally just him.
during the
Fuck! In, dog.
during the performance, I'm gonna have sticks here just in case it happens.
Okay.
That way I'm
Do
gonna
you need
have
another pair of sticks?
Huh?
Do you need another
Yeah,
pair of
he's,
sticks?
I'm gonna
Just in
this.
case. I'm not having it now.
This guy's.
I think
I have another pair
Yeah,
of
as I
sticks
said, I
in
think
my
he's
car.
offering six.
I'm not offering. I think I gotta keep those. Twin, just grab them. So then, you want to run live that bones one more time?
What? How about?
Or do you want to just, like, start over? Take it from the top.
Let's actually, you know what we should do? Let's put our guitars on clean so that we can really like actually hear what's going on. Okay, good enough. I think that allows us to kind of have a better like idea of story. Because if it's just loud, if it's just the whole time, no one can hear shit.
Why are you talking to the microphone? We're right here.
I don't ever get to talk into a microphone.
We can hear you.
Guys, we're gonna hit a pose.
Mouse.
And that's not going on the Instagram for another month.
For this one, play a little quieter so we can hear ourselves. This is how loud we're playing. I'd say in terms of rhythm, Miles play quieter, Sean play louder. You guys know Damn That River? We're not playing that shit. Good boy. My bad. Ready, one.
Alright, what are we
I'm
going
not
through?
counting. What?
You're counting us off. What are we going through?
That bones.
Alright.
Miles counts off. I can't count. My bad. That's my bad. Let's just take it from the first time, before the solo, like two before. Wait a minute. Now I don't know. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure it just plays it once. What? I feel somewhere alone, and we love the big old pile of damn bones. Hang on.
I'm trying to learn it. It looks so cool.
you gotta work on a stage presentation. Like not right now, but we're on like. What?
I'm literally moving around.
You gotta do more than just moving around.
Wait, here it is. Okay. It's once.
Oh, once, yeah.
It's like. Okay. After the second verse, we only do once.
Once.
Bro, you're staying away.
Alright, so I think that after we're done with them bones, I like take my bass guitar off and like throw it at Tyrell.
Done. Shit is done. It's already decided.
I mean, like, we won't be able to play Osprey Fest, but like,
And then I'm gonna attack Spencer and say, fucking Spencer, fuck you.